guys, I'm back with another thought of the day. Here we go. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm here to present a thought of the day. Today's thought is, the one who is honest and has a true heart will always be light and tension free. I repeat my thought. The one who is honest and has a true heart will always feel light and tension free. This thought means the honest and true-hearted people will always be happy, while the people who are not honest will face many troubles. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more educational and fun videos. Bye. Have a good day.